Today we are going to discuss about the computer network, multiple choice questions. As in the RGPV, you all know that the question paper is coming in multiple choice format. So today we will going to discuss about what are the maximum possible computer network related MCQ that can be asked in the RGPV examination. So let's start with the content. First of all, what do you mean by the computer network? Computer network is, so let's see what kind of questions can be there. Computer network is simple, a definition from the unit number 1 is there. Is it a collection of hardware components and the computers interconnected by the communication channel, sharing of resources and the information, or all of the above? So as in the class we have discussed that the computer network is a kind of connections where computers, components, hardware, softwares, resource sharing and information sharing, all these things will be involved. So the answer of this question is all of the above. That is the D. Now next move toward the next question. What are the protocols? Protocols are first agreements on how communication components and DTE are to communicate. B. Logical communication channel for transferring data. C. Physical communication channels used for transferring data, and none of the above. As its answer will be A. It is the agreement. It is the kind of agreement or the kind of procedures which we are going to follow if you want to perform any communication or any information sharing. Third, two devices are in a network. If here, a condition is being asked that how you can say that two devices are in the network. So first option is that a process in one device is able to exchange information with a process in another device. Two devices are in the network. Here the word network itself is a kind of word which represent connection. But connection between what? Connection between the devices, connection between the processes. So its answer is A. It is a kind of connection where two processes can be able to exchange the information with one another. What is the firewall in the computer network? As firewall means you are talking with related with the computer network security. You are talking with related to the unauthorized access which is not being done by the users. So what is the firewall in computer network? Its answer is it is a system designed to prevent unauthorized access. So firewall is not an operating system, firewall is not a devices, firewall is not the exact meaning that represent the software. So it is a kind of system which is the combination of hardware and the software as well, which is used to prevent the unauthorized access. Major task is to prevent the unauthorized access. Now the next question is the IETF standard documents are called. It is called RFC. That is, it's its answer RFC. Next, which data communication method is used to transmit the data over a serial communication link? As we have studied about different types of communication, that is half duplex, simplex, and the full duplex. So here the question is asking you about what data communication method means, what kind of method it is being used to transmit the data over the serial communication. Serial means a single line kind of a communication. So its answer will be the C, that is the full duplex, where he can send the data and receive the data at the same time. Each IP packet must contain, what is the basic constraint for the IP packet? Each IP packet must contain the source address and the destination address. Why? Why? Because you want to communicate something, you want to communicate with the end devices, and end device is considered as the destination devices, while the device which is being sending the data is considered as the sender devices. So you have to make the communication between the sender and the receiver. So we should need a address where we have to send the data. That's why sender and the receiver or the source of the destination address is needed. Next, what is the minimum header size of the IP packet? So it is a very important question. 99 point chances are there that it can be in the examination form. So its basic minimum header size is 20 bytes. Or what is the basic header size of this? That is the 20 byte IP packet header size. routing table of routers keeps tracks of routing table. As you all know that routing table is a kind of table which is used for basically used for tracking that some where data has to be flow, where data has to be sent. So its answer is routes to use for forwarding data to its destination. Suppose in the bus stand you are going to the bus counter, and in that bus counter all the routes, all the possible destination of given or available buses is being written on the board. That is a kind of table. In the same way, routing table is also a kind of table which is used to know about the possible routes. Now, 10th, which of the following is not the external security threats? External security threats is not underground threats. What is the IP address range of API PA? API PA, its answer is 169.254.0.1 to 169.254.255.254. Which of the following is not possible way of data exchange? Simplex, multiplex, half duplex, full duplex. Multiplex, obviously it is some different kind of term. The management of the data flow between computer or the devices or between node in a network is called, it is called flow control. Its answer is flow control. Next, what does the port number in a TCP connection specify? It specify the communication process on the two-end system. It specify the communication process on the two-end system. What is the purpose of PSH flag in the TCP? It is the push. Basically, it is used to indicate the end of the message. So that's for the today, and we will discuss more in the next.